Let's build a new indoor garden setup that's great for small spaces, easy to make, and really didn't cost that much. I'll be including a price breakdown at the end. I went with a wire shelving unit, which is 69 inches tall and 21 inches wide. It came with 6 adjustable shelves, and to attach those, I put these clips on each pole and then slid each shelf into place. I really wanted wider shelves than this, but I'm very limited on space, and I need to be able to open the closet door to the right. It does take a little force to get these shelves over the clips, so a rubber mallet came in handy for this step. The bottom shelf will be used for storage, so after adding the shelf that you see here, I'm ready to attach my first light. I bought these 24-inch grow lights from Harbor Freight, and one cool thing about them is they're linkable, so I'll only have to plug one into an outlet and the rest can be connected to each other. I'm attaching the lights with 14-inch zip ties that I already had, but later on I switched to 11-inch ones that I bought just for this project. Because grow lights can give off a little heat, I went with zip ties that can handle high temperatures, but to my surprise, these lights really don't get that hot. I've been testing 2 of these lights for a few weeks to see how well they work on the types of foods I grow, so the next ones I'm showing you are already attached to a shelf. I recently bought a 3rd light for seed starting, which is what you just saw me attach a second ago. You may have noticed I haven't been hammering the shelves down, and that's because when it comes time to adjust the height, it'll just be easier to pop the shelf off the clip like this. Zip ties were definitely my best friend for this project. I used them to attach the cord to each shelf and then trim them using the cutting blade on my needle nose pliers. Here's how the backside turned out. I didn't overly tighten the zip ties on the poles since I'll be moving the shelves up and down. My goal for this side was to look as clean as possible, and with the other side being less visible, that's where I have all my cords sticking out. I love using Wi-Fi enabled smart plugs as grow light timers. I have these lights set to be on for 14 hours per day, and here's how everything looks powered on. After adding some finishing touches, I got my plants added on there, and if you're questioning the stability of this rack, it's actually really stable. I think that's because I have my heaviest items towards the bottom. Up here is my seed starting station, and here's your price breakdown as promised. But what do you think? I actually really like this one and can't wait until I move so I can make a larger setup like this.